Hello everyone, welcome to Kirti's Finfo NRI community. I'm CS Kirtina and I live in Dubai. I run The Consultancy, a firm specialized in NRI services. I have done my CS from India, CMA Advanced Diploma from UK, and I'm also SEBI registered MFT. In last 2 weeks, in these videos we have discussed about 3 different bank accounts that NRIs must be aware of. That are NRO, NRE and FCNR account. There is one more account that all NRIs should know. I have seen very little awareness about this account, that is RFC, Resident Foreign Currency Account. Understanding of this account can help returning NRIs to manage their finance better. This is a complex topic, but I am going to explain you different aspects of RFC account in simple language, as simple as I can. So stay tuned till the end. Before we start our discussion on RFC account in detail, let me give you an example of the problem that many NRIs usually face. Imagine this is our NRI Babu, and Babu had been NRI for more than 3 decades. Now he has decided to return to India and retire. But there is a worrying part also, that is how to manage the foreign exchange like USD that he has earned when he was NRI and working in foreign country. He wants a portion of his saving for retirement life, which he will spend in rupees in India. But after 3 years, his son, who is currently studying in India, planning to go to US for higher studies. In that case, if Babu, for whatever reasons, maybe relocation or whatever it is, becomes NRI once again, may want to have an option where he can keep a portion of his earning in an account where it's possible to repatriate that without any headache. In simple words, Babu might lose his NRI status soon. Even when he becomes resident Indian, he wants to keep his money in stronger currencies like USD, and from the same account, he also wants to withdraw the money and he wants to spend that in INR or rupees in India. Is it possible? Yes, that's possible. He needs to open RFC or Resident Foreign Currency Account. Many NRIs don't know about this account. So in this video, we are going to discuss what is RFC, what are different forms of RFC accounts, how RFC is helpful for NRIs, how can you operate RFC account as resident, what is the tax implication for RFC account holders. RFC. This is a type of account which is allowed for all returning NRIs by RBI, where they can allocate funds in tax efficient way, and also they can manage currency exchange risk. In the sense, you can keep money in stronger currency when you shift to India. Any NRI who had resided abroad for more than 1 year can open this account. It is maintained with any freely repatriable convertible foreign currency, such as it may be USD, GBP, Euro or Yen, Australian dollar, which are approved by RBI. Remember, according to the duration and the currency that you've chosen, interest rates will be offered by the banks. So you have to check with your bank. You can maintain RFC account mainly in 3 forms: savings, term deposit and current account. Now let's see how practically RFC account can help NRIs. Imagine you are an NRI. You have acquired huge wealth from foreign sources. You have an investment, or you may be having a property which is given on rent. Now, just because you have decided to return to India, you are under no obligation and you don't have to liquidate all your investments or sell the property. RBI gives permission to hold all your money or earnings which are in foreign currency even after you become resident in India. Isn't it an amazing option? You can do whatever you want to do with your money when you have earned that abroad as an NRI. Either you continue to hold or sell it off. Your choice. If you are selling and wish to hold those sale proceeds in stronger currencies like USD, it's possible through RFC or Resident Foreign Currency Account. If you have FCNR deposit, then you can also transfer the balance to RFC. Any monetary benefit that you have received from your overseas employer, rent, gift or inheritance that you have received, or surrender value of Indian insurance policies which are settled in forex, you can keep everything in RFC account. There is no restriction on how are you going to utilize the funds to. I know you will love this part, right? I hope now the point is very clear. Now imagine you may want to withdraw Indian rupees for your local expenses when you have become Indian resident. Can you withdraw from the same account? Yes, you can. You have to visit the branch where you have opened RFC account and then fill the required form. Get the money in Indian rupees. In addition to this, there is another advantage also in RFC account. If you want to send the same amount abroad or repatriate for any legal purpose, you can send without RBI approval. The balance money, including the interest, is fully repatriable. The next important point is another advantage of RFC for all NRIs. Sometimes NRIs lose job in a country where they are staying and temporarily they come to India and become resident for some years. But they want to go to foreign country again, and so they keep trying. They have huge corpus. In this case also, you or any such NRIs can park that corpus in foreign currency by holding RFC account. After some time, when you go back to the foreign country, become NRI again, the money that you have parked in RFC account can be easily transferred to NRI or FCNR as you want. You can send the same amount even to the dependents if they are NRIs without any procedural hurdles that we have seen in a Babu NRI's case. I hope now you have understood how RFC account helps. Just to put in simple words, the money that you have earned in foreign country, you can easily invest abroad or within India, send to any dependents within India or again in any foreign country, and financially support them at any time without any procedural hurdles. And it's possible only with RFC. The last but the most important part, taxation. How the amount which is parked in RFC is going to be taxed. See, it depends on many factors. There is no one answer for this. It changes from context to context. So if you're shifting back to India, then you have to sit with financial advisor and know all the tax implication. You have to consult a consultant. There is no other way. However, I am going to explain in general terms, just for your better understanding. If you are NRI, on the year of return, there is no tax implication on RFC, presuming that you are going to be NRI for that year. Now, when the status transition happens to RNOR or not ordinary resident, again, you won't pay any tax. But if you become resident for tax purposes, which I have explained in this video, then there is going to be TDS or tax liability. I hope you got a brief idea. If you have any questions, please feel free to write to us at info@kirtiswinfo.com, or you may also ask any of your doubts even in the comment section. See you in the next video with one more interesting NRI topic. Till then, bye bye.